What's up? Happy 4th of July to all of our friends and family in America, the home of the brave, the land of the free. I hope you guys have a great day. I love you all and thank you for all your support. Today, we are talking Bitcoin. We are talking cryptocurrencies because the stock market is closed in America. And when the stock market is closed in America, it's pretty much closed in Canada. It's just the way it is. It's open in Canada, but it's pretty much closed. Because without America, there is no Canada. That's just kind of how it is. It's true. So, what do you want to talk about? What do you want to know about cryptocurrencies? Well, we're here to tell you about all the different platforms that I have been testing, I've been using, I've been learning about since I got into the crypto game. So if you want to learn about cryptocurrencies, if you want to learn about Bitcoin, you've come to the right place because I'm going to show you what I do every single day to learn about Bitcoin. Now, I am not an expert, okay? I am new to cryptocurrencies. I am new to Bitcoin. I have already made some big mistakes because when you're new to things, you can make a lot of mistakes by trusting the wrong platforms, trusting the wrong coins. So I've already learned what not to do the hard way, unfortunately, in Bitcoin in a very short period of time. I've also been successful with a few platforms I'm very happy with, and I'm going to explain to you guys some of those platforms. I'm going to talk to you about some of those platforms, and I really just want to use this as a tool to really get your foot in the door, show you guys what I've learned, and hopefully help you guys get into the game. So let's get started, shall we? But before we start, I want to make sure, are you listening? I want to make sure you're listening. You got to make sure you're awake. I know it's a holiday. There's going to be a lot of distractions today. I understand. It's okay. It's okay. If you can't make it for the show, don't worry. We're live. But this will be posted on Rich TV Live on our YouTube channel. And if you want to get in contact with me, just go into the video, send me a message, tell me what you think about the video, what you think about some of the platforms I'm sharing. And if you think there's a few platforms that I need to be sharing with the public, let me know and I'll share. It's that easy. It's true. So let's get to it. First and foremost, the first platform that I use every single day to see the price of Bitcoin and to watch different cryptocurrencies is the World Coin Index. So you can go to www.worldcoinindex.com. And every single day, World Coin Index is featuring different cryptocurrency platforms, different companies that are going public, different opportunities that you can invest in. Bittrex is an exchange. They are promoting different exchanges, different cryptocurrencies every single day. So I'm learning about these exchanges every day, and I'm getting a chance to try them out, test them, and I want to continue to do that and bring that to you, the people. Okay? Now, the other thing that I like about World Coin Index is every single day you can go and click on this percentage button, and when you click on this percentage button, it'll give you all the cryptocurrencies that are down, and it'll list them all with their ranking, which I really like. And if you click on it again, it'll simply give you all of the cryptocurrencies that are up, which I also like. So you get an opportunity to see the winners and the losers very quickly, instantly, and in real time. So if you're actually buying cryptocurrencies or you're trading cryptocurrencies or you're looking to invest in cryptocurrencies, this is an incredible resource to see what is winning, what is losing every single day. As you can see, DYN Dynamic is up 69% today. NXS Nexus is up 51% today. eBoost EBST is at 21 cents, up 38% today. They are all winning. Let's look at some more winners. Synergy in 68th spot. SNRG at $1.64, up 16%. Edgeless EDG at 64 cents, up 14%. The Max Coin at 12 cents, up 13%. The Black Coin, BLK, up 13% at 42 cents. So those are just a few of the winners. Now, what I've learned about Bitcoin is that when they're all up, or when Bitcoin is up specifically, most of the coins are in the green and they're up. When Bitcoin is down specifically, a lot of the coins are down and in the red. So what I've learned is I don't actually like to buy them. I like to sniper them and I like to watch. I like to date them. Very similar to stocks, guys, okay? And what I do is when they're down, that's when I get an appetite to buy. So for example, I'd be looking right now at MEME very carefully. And if you like this, and it's at 12 cents, it's down 31%, that could be signaling a buying opportunity. ADT, currently at 8 cents, down 29%, that may be signaling a buying opportunity. EOS, a brand new ICO, exploded out of the gate like 100%. It's now started to retract, down currently 20%. That may be signaling a buying opportunity. This is what we really want to do in the markets. We don't want to chase stocks. We don't want to chase cryptocurrencies. We do not want to chase Bitcoin. When it's down and in the red, that's when I'm thinking about buying. And when it's in the green, that's when I'm thinking about selling. This is the way we need to trade. That is the rich system. I am no longer ever chasing stocks or cryptocurrencies. I'm not going to just buy because they're going through the moon. That is how you get hurt. That's how you get stuck holding the bag, okay? And I'm sure a lot of you have learned this. I've learned this too the hard way. And what I'm learning with my trading style, whether it's Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, or stocks, is that you need to buy in the red, you need to sell in the green, and have no emotion. If you do that, you will give yourself a chance to win. If you don't do that, you're going to get stuck holding the bag, waiting for your stocks or cryptocurrencies to go back up. And that does not feel good. And then what ends up happening a lot of times is you get frustrated and then you'll sell. And typically what I've seen in those situations is usually after you sell, they immediately go back up again. So what I've learned by these cryptocurrencies is you need to be patient, you need to buy in the red, sell in the green, and have no emotion, okay? So now what I want to do is if you click on this number sign right there, see the number sign? If you click on this number sign right there, what it does, it actually lists the top cryptocurrencies. Now, these are the only ones that I'm really interested in buying. Now, have I bought other cryptocurrencies? Yes, because risk is my middle name, and I like to take some risks. But realistically, my long-term strategy, very similar to marijuana stocks, very similar to big board stocks, is I want to be buying and investing in the best, okay? So right now, the number one cryptocurrency, which is interesting because it was the first one that I personally bought, is Litecoin. Currently at $50, it was as high as $52 earlier today, up just under 12%. I love Litecoin, I own Litecoin, and it has been on fire, and I'm very happy with my purchase of Litecoin. Number two is Ethereum under the symbol ETH, currently at $272. Ethereum has been as high as $400, currently down 1%. Bitcoin under the symbol BTC at $2,575 is currently up 1% right now. I've been watching Bitcoin for about 2 months now, and honestly, I think a good price to buy it is between $2,100 to $2,300. I've seen it go as low to $2,100 twice. I've seen it go to $2,300 probably 5 or 6 times in the last 2 months. I'm not interested in buying it at $2,500, okay? You need to buy in the red, sell in the green, be patient. There's no reason to just go crazy. There's no reason to chase these cryptocurrencies. They go up and they go down, and you can position yourself accordingly, okay? Now, EOS is a brand new cryptocurrency, just came out. It's already in the 4th spot. That is very interesting for me. That is a bullseye for me, okay? I really like EOS. I'm going to pick some of this up. It's in the 4th spot, a brand new cryptocurrency. It's only at $3. So that tells me it's a winner. It's currently down 20%. This may be signaling a buying opportunity, but because EOS is on so few platforms, the only platform I know that you can currently buy it on so far is Kraken. So if you want to buy EOS, you need to set up an account at Kraken, and that's where I know you can buy EOS. I haven't seen anywhere else you can buy EOS. Now, if you guys know where to buy EOS, please let me know. Send it in the description in this video. Put it in the group chat. Let us know where you can buy EOS, because other than Kraken, I haven't seen anywhere else. Number 5 is Ethereum Classic. I have seen this in the last 2 months as low as about 16. I've seen it as high as around 23. So around 17 may be a good price. It's kind of low compared to where I've seen it, but you can probably buy it a little bit lower if you want to buy Ethereum Classic. And like I said, I've been watching Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies now every single day for 2 months. I've been dating a lot of these cryptocurrencies. I currently own Litecoin, Bitcoin, BitShares, and Unity, and Steem. So I'm now accumulating my cryptocurrencies, and I'm looking to buy the best. And my goal ultimately is to buy the top 10 and really load up on the 10, because I believe that's where I'm going to protect myself against scams, Ponzi schemes, and all the different dirty things that are happening with people that are just trying to take advantage of people in the cryptocurrency space. And I've already taken losses from different opportunities that are looking to take advantage of people that don't know much about the cryptocurrency space. So please be careful. Do your due diligence. Set up accounts. Don't put any money in them. Just learn. Watch all the different platforms that I'm going to bring to you guys today. Set up your accounts. They're all for free. And start doing your due diligence, start learning, because there's a lot of copycats, there's a lot of scams out there, there's a lot of Ponzi schemes happening, and I've had to learn the hard way already, and I don't want anybody losing money, I don't want anybody getting hurt. So I'm going to be constantly bringing you guys what I'm learning, educating you guys, and I'm going to be out there taking a lot of chances, taking a lot of risks, so I can learn myself, because I can't really believe anybody out there. I can't really believe what anybody's saying. I can only believe what I see and what I learn and what I find by doing it. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Now, Ripple is in the top 10 as well. In the 6th spot, XRP at 25 cents. I've seen it a little bit lower, but it may be a good price at 25 cents. Currently down slightly, 0.67%. BitShares. Now, I'm an owner of BitShares. I really like BitShares. I think it has a huge future. In the top 10 at 23 cents. I've loaded up on BitShares, and I'm going to continue to. And it's currently down. It's been as high as 33 cents. It's been a lot lower than 23 as well. So when I see it down, that's when I like to buy it. And when I see it's up, that's when I like to sell it. I literally day trade these cryptocurrencies. I buy in the red and I sell in the green, and I have no emotion, okay? Now let's take a look at a few more. We've got Status. So Status is in the 8th spot, the symbol SNT, currently at 5 cents. I love the price. Currently down 1%. Now, if you can get into cryptocurrencies at 5 cents, I mean, a lot of them are trading in the hundreds, the dollars. Bitcoin is at 2,500. So if you can get into some of these top 10 and they're at 5 cents, those to me are signaling a great buying opportunity. Now, I don't know when they're going to go up. I'm not an expert at cryptocurrency. Like I said, I'm still learning just like you guys. But as a trader and as a very experienced trader, I'm always looking for opportunities that are very low, that have the opportunity to explode. So when I see Status, SNT, in the top 10, it's definitely got my attention. Dash is one of the cryptocurrencies that I really love. I've been watching it. I currently don't own it because the price is very high. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mine it. So my plan is for the ones that I don't want to buy because they're just too high, my goal is to mine it. And I'm going to talk to you guys about what I'm doing with Genesis Mining soon and how I'm testing Genesis Mining. And my goal is to just mine cryptocurrencies that are very expensive and buy the cryptocurrencies that I feel are undervalued, that give me good upside. So that's kind of what my plan is for cryptocurrencies. And everybody has their own strategy for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And that's the beauty of having a community. We can all talk about what you're doing, what I'm doing, what's working for you, what's not working. So we can work together, we can earn together, we can win together. And remember, guys, what I told you guys, as a team, everybody achieves more. And if we work together, and we have our eyes on the prize, we can all win together. And that's the beauty of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. There's so many referral links and there's so many ways to make money together. You don't even need to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. You can literally set up accounts, share your referral links, and make money and earn simply by educating, helping, and teaching others. And that's why I've told you guys before that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies has the opportunity and the chance to end world poverty. And I truly believe that, and that's why I've been jumping in with 2 feet, and I'm going to continue to accumulate. I'm going to continue to buy more Bitcoins. I'm going to continue to buy more altcoins. I'm going to continue to learn about all the different cryptocurrencies every single day and gain more knowledge. And what I'm looking for are other companies in the space that we can bring onto our show and bring to you, the people, so that we can educate you and allow those cryptocurrencies and those companies an opportunity, a platform to tell their story and be transparent so that we can have an opportunity to win. What do you think about that, guys? I think it's a great opportunity. I think it's a great idea. We're in the works talking to a lot of different companies, and we are going to continue to. And if you're a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency company and you need exposure, call us. Just email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. Message me in the description below. Contact me. I'm easy to get a hold of. And we can talk to you live on Rich TV Live and bring you to our community and to the world. Because trust me, we are going global and we are everywhere. Now that's World Coin Index. Now let's just say I want to know about a company. Let's just say I want to know about Dash. How do you find out? You click on it. You just click on it. Scroll down. Now what it does here, it tells you the price, tells you how much it's up, tells you how high it's been in the last 24 hours, tells you how low it's been in the last 24 hours, tells you the volume. $12 million has gone through Dash today. That is substantial. And it tells you how many coins they have. They only have 7.4 million coins, thus the high price. It's supply and demand, people. That's the beauty of Bitcoin. This is all supply and demand. Okay? Their market cap is currently $1.3 billion. How do you get the market cap? You times the price by the amount of coins. That will get you the market cap. Now, the other thing I like about it, this website at World Coin Index, you can actually go click on the cryptocurrency you like, and you can go find their website. You can even join a chat. And you can scroll down and see how it's done in the last week. Whoop! 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 You can go and see how it's done in the last 3 months. Look at this. 3 months ago, Dash was at $61 3 months ago. So it's up 300% in the last 3 months. That's what I'm saying, guys. You need to get into cryptocurrencies. You need to get into Bitcoin right now. You need to get into the matrix, okay? And I'm going to show you guys every day what I'm learning. And today's a great way and a great start, if you haven't started, just to set up an account. It's a holiday in America, okay? It's a great day to set up an account, set up accounts, start learning how to use these resources, start testing these resources, and just start educating yourself. You don't need to put any money in. Just start learning. Start educating yourself. I talk to buddies that don't know anything about cryptocurrencies, and they try to talk about it, and they know nothing. It makes no sense. Don't talk about something you don't know. Get in the matrix. Please, get in the matrix. So that's WorldCoin Index, a great resource. I use it every single day, and a great website. So, you ask, Rich, let's bring out the angel of mercy. Because we're going to switch gears. I'm going to show you another website. Now, what's the other website that I use, you ask? Well, I also use CoinMarketCap.com. CoinMarketCap.com. Now, I love CoinMarketCap.com because what it does, it shows you there's $101 billion going through cryptocurrencies right now. That's right, $101 billion and growing every day. It also shows you that 41% of that money is going into Bitcoin. And it also shows you that $3 billion has gone through the coin market cap and the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space in the last 24 hours. That's huge. Look at this. RBC is advertising on CoinMarketCap. RBC, Royal Bank of Canada, one of the largest banks in the world, is advertising on CoinMarketCap. Pretty cool, right? Now, the other thing I like about CoinMarketCap, it's a little bit unique and it's a little bit different. I'm going to downsize this for a second. So if you see right here, there is 801 cryptocurrencies. There is 48 assets and 4,378 markets to trade cryptocurrencies. So this is just exploding. And what CoinMarketCap does very well is they allow you to keep track of everything as it happens. When I started watching cryptocurrencies, there was only 500 cryptocurrencies. That was 2 months ago. Now there's 801 cryptocurrencies. So literally, it's growing every single day. Oh, the ninja's calling. Kenny, how you doing, buddy? I am live on YouTube. I'm doing really, really well, and we're talking cryptocurrencies. So, how are things going for you in the cryptocurrency space, my friend?
Oh, I'm sniping it away right now. So.
Nice, you're slapping it away. So, you are a true ninja, my friend. I know you're snipering like literally 24 hours a day. Tell me, what are you looking at? What are you buying right now? I'll pull it up behind me. What is going on and what's winning for you, Kenny?
I just got in and out of AGRS 3 times.
Wow.
Last few days.
AGRS. So Kenny is literally sniping AGRS. I'm pulling it up right now. So AGRS is currently at 61 cents, down 9% today. Now, what do you think about the strategy I've been talking about? I've been saying buy in the red, sell in the green. Do you agree that that is a good strategy?
In some cases, it is. And in some cases, it's not.
Okay, so explain. Tell me your findings. Tell me.
Like, it has to have a lot of volume if it's in the red.
Okay.
That's what you buy. But if it doesn't have, if it's low volume, don't even buy the red. Don't even buy the coin.
Okay, so what Kenny's saying is he looks at the volume. Volume is very important to him. So currently the volume in the last 24 hours on ARGS is $267,000. So is that enough volume for you, Kenny? Like, what number of volume are you
I'm
looking
trying
for?
to look at like above 500K.
Okay. So ARGS is currently at 267,000. So is that concerning you now? Are you looking to get out of this
I already
cryptocurrency?
got out of it. I got out of it at 60 cents. So.
Perfect. So what are you looking at now? Is there anything else that you're looking to snipe
There's
next?
a new ICO that came out called FUN.
Fun?
Yeah,
Nice. Let me pull it up.
it just came out on Bitrex. I'm not even has no volume yet, and I'm just
Fun
watching
Fair.
it.
Fun Fair. It's at 2 cents. Currently down 4%. Traded $149,000 in volume. You guys see this? Fun Fair. A brand new ICO traded $200,000, $149,000 in volume. Currently at 2 cents, down 4% today. One thing I've noticed is all these ICOs, as soon as they come out, they typically explode right out of the gate, and then they retract right away. Have you noticed that?
They consolidate right away.
Absolutely.
Yeah, they go up and they consolidate and they go up.
They go up, they'll come back down because people are taking profits, especially the insiders. Remember, anybody that's been buying these ICOs, they've been pre-buying them. And typically when you buy these ICOs, before they go public, you have the opportunity to actually buy them at a discount. So as soon as they go public, the people that bought them pre-ICO have the ability to take a spread immediately.
Exactly.
That's
exactly what AGRS is doing.
Exactly. So AGRS exploded out of the gate, and now they're consolidating. And another one that I've seen do that is EOS. Have you seen EOS?
Yeah, it exploded yesterday and it's tanked today.
So EOS came public. I don't know exactly what price. Let's see. I believe it was at like $2 or even lower. And it exploded, went all the way to $6, I believe. Did it go to $6? Not really understanding this chart right now. But I know it went up a lot higher than where it's at right now. And then now it's retracted. It's down 26%. It's still at $3.41. But the thing that I like about EOS, Kenny, is that they're ranked number 4 on World Coin Index.
Wow.
And as a brand new ICO, why do you think that they're ranked number 4? I think that that's a direct bullseye saying that this is a great opportunity.
I'll look into it.
I really do. Because I don't see why they would rank a brand new ICO number 4. It's only at $3. Why would you rank it number 4 if it's a brand new ICO and it's only at $3 when you got companies like Zcash, Monero, Dash, Litecoin?
The ranking, they change every 24 hours depending on the percentage of each ICO.
So is that based on the percentage, or is it based on like right now, for example, on CoinMarketCap, it's ranked number 12. And on World Coin Index, it's ranked number 4. And it's down 26%. So I don't think that their ranking is based on that. I think it's actually based on the market cap.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's based on market cap, volume, and yeah, that's.
I think they have a system that they use, and I think it's on price, volume, market cap, and I do believe that they have their own way of vetting these companies, and they are ranking them based on companies that they think are safer opportunities and the best cryptocurrencies to invest in as well. That's why constantly I'm talking about investing in the top 10 cryptocurrencies, because there's like 801 different cryptocurrencies out there, and I'm looking to invest in the biggest and the best.
I picked up one coin of Ethereum at 267 today.
So you picked up some Ethereum, and so where do you think Ethereum is going to go? Do you believe Ethereum has the potential to go where no man has gone before and past Bitcoin?
I believe Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are the three that's going to be like most popular in the future.
Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum right now are listed as the top 3. I agree with you. I'm looking to load up on all 3. Now, don't you have Don't you have a friend of yours that's an Ethereum expert?
Yes, he's really busy with his he opened up a new cafe or something, so he's really busy right now. But he said he'll get on the show.
What is? And I can't wait to have him on the show. And there's no rush there.
No, shut up.
There's no rush there. What is his theory on Ethereum? Like, has he given you a theory? Sorry, you haven't talked to him at all yet? Like, he hasn't told you about what he thinks about Ethereum?
No, he's just mining. Like I saw the rig that he's using right now, and like it's a probably I think it's a warehouse somewhere, and he has like rack, double racks. I think like you saw the pictures, right?
Oh yeah, it looked impressive. He's literally mining himself. So to have a real miner be able to come on our show is incredible, Kenny. There's no rush, man. I'm sure he's super busy. He's in the hottest industry in the planet, and he's in. And
Plus,
right,
he's a VIP host at the nightclubs here, so
nice. Well, listen, you know what? At his convenience, we'd love to be able to talk to him and even just do a call and just kind of learn about Ethereum. Because honestly, I don't know that much about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and how this all works yet. I still have a lot to learn. And I just kind of jumped in with 2 feet more as an education. Kind of like I'm in Bitcoin University right now and I'm literally learning every day. And right now I'm showing right behind me Genesis Mining. So you're into Genesis Mining. I'm into Genesis Mining. We are now mining coins. So, what do you think about Genesis so far? Tell me your opinion on Genesis so far.
on Genesis, I don't know. I put $150 into it, purchased 1 terahash of Bitcoin, and I'm just waiting on my first payout.
Okay, great. I personally got into, I bought $337 just to start on my credit card. And what I was told, I was on Steemit and I was putting a post talking about it. And one of my followers actually messaged me and said, Richard, just so you know, when you buy through a credit card, you literally will have to wait a month before you get paid because they have a lot of different security measures they put in place to make sure that when you buy with a credit card that you are protected and nothing goes wrong. So I was kind of frustrated to hear I have to wait a month. I hope it's not going to take that long. So I'm going to be watching carefully. And if that's the case, the next purchase I make, I'm probably going to just transfer either coins in there or I'm just going to put cash in there so I don't have to have this long wait. Because if I knew I was going to have to wait this long, I wouldn't have bought through a credit card. So if you guys are looking to mine Genesis, I will have a description in the bottom of my video today and with the link to my Genesis link and a link to a 3% discount. So if you buy through my code, you can save 3%, you can save some money. And I know Kenny, he's also putting out videos all the time. And if you see Kenny's videos, he will have a description of his Genesis mining link with his 3% link. So if you guys want to buy and mine coins through Genesis, make sure you guys use that link so you can save 3%. What do you think about cryptocurrencies as far as the way that everybody can just kind of share information, help referrals? You don't even need to be mining to be making money. You can literally just be educating people, helping people learn about mining, educating and teaching the world, and be making money through referrals. And that's what I love about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. You do not need to have any money to make money. You can literally be making money just by helping the people. And we are so new to Genesis Mining. I haven't been paid yet. Please, guys, be careful. This is apparently the #1 mining site in the world with over 500,000 people mining with them daily. But I'm still new to it. I haven't been paid yet. And as I learn about Genesis Mining, and as Kenny learns about Genesis Mining, and we become experts in the mining game, we will be bringing you what we find and what we learn. And we don't want anybody putting their money into anything just because we talk about it, okay, guys? Buyer beware. Be careful. Whether it's stocks or cryptocurrencies, just because we talk about a stock or just because we talk about a cryptocurrency, it doesn't make us an expert. We are literally just students of the cryptocurrency game. I've only been watching it for 2 months, and we are learning every single day, and the knowledge is the power. And the only way to learn for me is to do it. So I've started slow. There's a lot of guys all over YouTube, Steemit, all over the world talking about Genesis mining that are making a lot of money right now, that are earning, $100 to $200 every day mining right now. So I'm trying to follow their lead, but until I actually start earning myself, I can't really tell you guys what's going on because I'm brand new to this and I literally just set up my account. But if you're interested and you want to mine Bitcoin, this is apparently the #1 platform in the world to mine Bitcoin and all the other top cryptocurrencies. And I like it because I don't really want to buy Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Dash and Zcash because the price is too high. I'm more interested in buying the lower price cryptocurrencies. So my strategy is buy the low price cryptocurrencies and mine the higher cryptocurrencies and use Genesis Mining to mine them because they are the biggest and they are the best right now as far as mining cryptocurrencies that I have found. Now, if anybody out there finds any better miners, please let us know. Message us in the description within the link. Message us on YouTube, and we'll do our due diligence. And listen, if you send me your link, and you send me a link to a new platform, and it's a good platform, and I like it, I'll sign up under your link. I'll do my due diligence, and then I'll bring it to the people. Because that's what we want to do here, people, with our platform. We want to educate the people, work for the people, and help the people create freedom. There's going to be some bumps along the road. There's a lot of scams going on. There's a lot of Ponzi schemes. We've had to learn the hard way because we're in the front. We're in the front lines, and the only way to learn is to do it. So we are slowly learning every day, and we have found so far that Genesis is one of the best platforms. I've already contacted customer support, and they respond instantly. Instantly. And I love that. I was having issues getting in to my site, and they responded instantly. I had to rechange my password. They responded instantly. So far, I love their customer service. It's by far the best customer service I have found of all the platforms that I'm using. Have you dealt with their customer service yet, Kenny?
No, I haven't.
If you send them a message, they will respond to you instantly. And they will create a ticket, and they will respond instantly. I was having issues with my login yesterday because they have very encrypted login, especially if you do the 2-step login. And I actually lost my code. They helped me regain it. Then I had to create a new password. They helped me set up my password. And then everything is running like a machine now. But I appreciated their customer service. And it made me happy to know that they were responding quickly and in real time. Like that.
You know what you should do? Every cryptocurrency account you create, you need to enable the 2-factor verification. That's
Yes, exactly. So when I enabled my 2-step verification, what they wanted my Google authorization code, which I didn't know. Because what happens is when you create a Google authorization code, you guys can actually download the Google authentication app. Okay? And what happens is it changes every couple minutes.
No, it changes like every 15 to 20 seconds.
Yeah, like every 15 to 20 seconds the number's changing. So I didn't know. I had it written down. I put it in, it was wrong. So then I had to go download it again. And then once I downloaded it, I was realizing, oh, it's constantly changing. So I was like, oh, wow. So
like on that app, you can do it with Coinbase. You can do it with everything. Like you can do it with one app, and you can see all your numbers up right there.
And I love that because it shows you how encrypted this software is. So if someone's trying to hack into my account, they literally would have to be able to change that code every 30 seconds. And you'd have to be a pretty damn good hacker to be able to hack that.
Right.
So it felt good to know that I have that type of security on my Genesis mining account. Okay. So if you guys want to mine, so far the best place I have tested so far, but I haven't been paid because I just started, is Genesis Mining. And I heard if you use a credit card, it takes up to a month to start getting paid. So I'm going to have to wait patiently because I started with a credit card. So if you guys want to mine immediately, do not use a credit card so you can start mining quickly. But if you mine through a credit card, it might take you a while to get started, okay? Now, another place that I've been using to buy Bitcoin is CoinMama. The first place that I actually bought my Bitcoin is CoinMama. It's fast, it's easy to use, but I heard and what I have found is CoinMama has very high fees. So it may not be the best platform if you're looking for the lowest fees, but I like the fact that it's instant, it's quick, I can use my credit card, and because I've already used it before, I feel very comfortable with it. And they also have very good referral programs. So if you're looking to make money through referrals, you can do very well with CoinMama. It's easy to use, it's fast, and it's reliable. And I use it just to buy little amounts of Bitcoin, $100, $200, $300, because I like it. It's easy, it's hassle-free. I can use my credit card, and it's instant. Okay, so if you guys are looking for a place to buy Bitcoin and buy it quickly and small amounts, I believe that CoinMama is one of the top platforms to use. It's simple, it's fast, and it's easy to use. And I do have a description to my CoinMama link at the bottom of my description. So if you guys are interested in learning about how to buy Bitcoin, CoinMama is one of the best platforms that I have used currently. It's the first place I bought my Bitcoin. And I just feel very comfortable with it. Like I said, the fees are a little higher, but it's easy to use and it works very well for me. So I'm willing to pay a little bit more because I like easy access. I haven't had as great of a time with some of the other platforms. This is why I like to use CoinMama. But everybody's different. Some people say it's a little high, but I like the fact that it's easy and it's fast and it's instant. Another place that I'm using to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoins is localbitcoins.com. Now, I love localbitcoins.com because I can literally go and see all the different people that are trading Bitcoin at what price. So you guys can literally see there's people right now selling Bitcoin at a different price, and everybody's at different prices. And you can even try to negotiate with a lot of these people. So you can call them, and you can literally buy and sell Bitcoins instantly. But I don't like the fact that you may or may not know who these people are. So it's a little bit different. I have my own dealer I buy local Bitcoins from. Myself and Mr. Katam literally go downtown, and a lot of our friends will go downtown and meet with our dealer, and we will give him cash, and he will put the Bitcoin right into our wallet right on our phone instantly. So we've got a system in place. I love it. So whenever I want to buy a big amount of Bitcoin, I use localbitcoin.com. And if you guys are interested in buying Bitcoin through localbitcoin.com, let us know. We are a dealer and we can buy Bitcoin with you and for you through our dealer and our relationships, okay? And the thing I love about local Bitcoins is you can buy your Bitcoin through local Bitcoins, and if the price of Bitcoin goes up, you can literally go and sell your Bitcoins right on Bitcoins immediately. So you could be buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, and literally doing that as a business right on localbitcoins.com. It's absolutely free to set up an account. It's easy to use, and they have incredible referral fees. So if you bring people through your links and through your affiliate links and through your referral links, you can make incredible referral fees. So guys, go to localbitcoins.com and set up your account right now. It's absolutely free, and it is one of the best platforms in the world to use that I have found. Make sure you use somebody that is trusted. Make sure you use somebody that has a good ranking, okay? And if they have a good ranking, you can see their rankings. 100%, 99%, 100%, 94%, 98%. So you want to go to the people with the highest rankings that have a good reputation, and if you deal with those people, you're going to have a good experience. But that's the thing I'm a little bit worried about with local Bitcoin. I'm not going to just deal with any random person. We have found one guy, we deal with him, and he is our guy. He's our dealer. And if anybody wants to buy up to $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, you can buy it right through us, and we've got our dealer, and we can make it happen instantly. Okay, guys? Kenny, have you ever used local Bitcoins? Oh, hey, Kenny, have you ever used local Bitcoins? You should definitely look into it. Set up an account. It's a really good platform. Pardon me?
I already have an account with them.
Okay, perfect. So it's a great place. Like Kenny, let's say for example, you make some money in the markets, and let's just say you have one full Bitcoin that you want to sell. It's a great way to go and sell that one Bitcoin instantly and get cash in your hand. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you can literally go and earn a Bitcoin, transfer it into your local Bitcoin wallet, and then immediately put it up for sale. And somebody calls you and says, hey, Kenny, I want to buy a Bitcoin. And you sell that one Bitcoin to that guy, and you just got cash in hand. So I love the idea of using local Bitcoins. And when we get bigger and we start earning 10s and 20 Bitcoins, I'm literally going to just be mining Bitcoins, transferring it into my local Bitcoin wallet, and my goal is to try to sell one Bitcoin a week. That's my goal. And literally collect cash. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that.
Yeah.
So local Bitcoins is an incredible platform, and used properly, it can change your life. And the guy that we met, that's a dealer, he's 27 years old, and he's literally selling about 10 to 20 Bitcoins a day. All he does is drive around Vancouver. He buys Bitcoins low whenever it's low, and then he sells them higher. And he just drives around Vancouver and sells Bitcoins every single day.
That's a nice job.
I mean, Kenny, I could see you doing that very soon around Vegas, my friend. Like once we start rolling in this and we really start rolling, we will all be dealers. We will be Bitcoin dealers. And as we start accumulating and mining our Bitcoins, we just move it into our wallet, and then we just always have our Bitcoins for sale. And then we get a bunch of cash, and what do? We sit there, we watch the market, and when it goes down, we buy another Bitcoin. And then we put it back up for sale at a higher price, and when it goes back up, people buy it for us at a higher price. And you're literally making a spread, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. And he's the one that told us, he's like, never buy Bitcoin in the green, always buy it in the red. That's all he does. He watches the market 24/7, and when it's in the red, he buys it. And then when it's in the green, he doesn't sell it. He puts it up on local Bitcoin and sells it for a spread.
Wow,
that's all he does, Kenny. That's what he does for a living. He buys Bitcoin and then sells it. And then he buys Bitcoin and then he sells it. And he buys Bitcoin and then he sells it. And then he buys Bitcoin and he sells it. And now, because he has people like us that are working with him, he just has guys that are on call 24/7 that just call him like once a week to buy more Bitcoin. So if anybody wants to buy Bitcoin through local Bitcoins, let us know. We can work out a deal and try to get you guys the best rates. Okay, guys? Now let's talk about another platform that we are using, BitConnect. Now, Kenny, what do you know about BitConnect?
I know nothing as of now.
Okay, so what I'm going to tell you guys about BitConnect is that BitConnect is another platform where you guys, and BitConnect is actually a coin, okay? And they actually have a platform where you can actually invest into their coin and you can actually invest and get returns. So it's like an investment platform. It pays very small returns, but what happens is, let's say you invest 500 bucks, it'll say to you, okay, you invested in a 1-year contract and you'll make your money back in about 7 months. So it's kind of like an investing platform that pays you daily and allows you to be able to pull your money out whenever you want. And you can invest into BitConnect through coins. You can invest in BitConnect through cash. You can invest in BitConnect through your credit card. And it's just another platform that I've set up. I haven't put any money in it yet, so beware. I haven't tested it yet, but I've got referral links. And like I said, I am literally looking to just build referrals and teach and educate the world how to make money by referring people to different platforms. And I've seen a lot of people that are happy with this platform. I have not put any money in it yet, but I'm going to start to test it, and I will let you guys know how it goes. So please, buyer beware. I have not tested this yet. I have not put any money yet, but it's another platform that I have signed up for. I will have a referral link at the bottom if you're interested in testing it out or just signing up and get referral fees. I am literally going to be testing all of these platforms with a couple $100 each, and I'm going to learn about it, and I'm going to continue to educate the people and educate you about my findings. So the best ones will be the ones I'm going to eventually go big into, and the worst ones will be the ones that we will expose. And ultimately, that's all I want to be able to do is protect the people and help people create freedom, because if there's a good platform, we want to be on it. If there's a bad platform, we want to expose it. And that's the beauty of Rich TV Live. We've got a global platform where we are live every single day, and we have the opportunity to bring this information to the people in real time. So that's BitConnect, another platform that I really like so far. But like I said, I haven't tested it yet, and I'll continue to bring you guys updates as they happen. Now, another platform that I've been using every single day, and I absolutely love this platform, is Steemit. Now, Kenny, what do you think about Steemit?
Steemit is awesome, bro.
Okay, guys.
You pay for posting?
I have been on Steemit for 2 weeks. I already have 100 followers. I just hit 100 followers today. I mean, what can I say? We are growing everywhere, okay? And Steemit has been very good to me. I'm not making a ton of money. I'm not going to lie to you guys and say I'm making tons of money. I'm not the best writer in the world. I definitely don't consider myself a great writer. But what this is a social media platform that pays you. I am earning Steemit dollars every single day, because every single day what I do is I go onto Steemit, I take my video that I put on YouTube, and then I post it on Steemit. And anytime I have anything I want to post, instead of posting on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, all the different social media platforms in the world that exist that don't pay us, I post it on Steemit. Because yeah, maybe I'm making a couple cents. My top post right now has made $5, okay? So I'm not a great Steemit poster at all. But I believe over time, as we grow, we'll start to make more money. And I'm able to take money that I make every single day on Steemit and put it right into my Steemit wallet. And my Steemit wallet is growing every single day. So it's nice to know that I'm literally making money without having to put my money in. So I'm not risking any money at all. I'm just putting my time in and I'm getting paid. And it's not big, it's a couple bucks, but it's starting somewhere. And I just started on this platform 2 weeks ago, and I already have 100 followers. I've been on Facebook for 10 years, okay? So, like, I haven't made a penny on Facebook. But Steemit, I've been, well, maybe not 10 years, maybe 5 years. I don't know how long Facebook's been around, but I've been on Facebook for a long time, okay? I would say at least 5 years, something like that, 3 to 5 years. But Steemit has already made me money, and I've been on it for 2 weeks. So I'm telling everybody, please get onto Steemit, get on Steemit immediately. It is real. I'm already making money. I've already have 100 followers. And if you follow me, I will follow you. Anybody that follows me, I'm going to follow you. If you upvote my post, so this is how it works. So here's like a post of one of the guys that's a top Steemit producer, Jeff Berwick. He made $487 on this post, and he posted this 7 days ago. So what I do is I go and I upvote him, okay? Because I want to help the guy. He's doing well. And I go and I re-steam his post. And by re-steaming his post, it helps him make money. And by upvoting his post, it helps him make money. So why wouldn't you guys want to go onto Steemit, upvote my posts, and I'll upvote your posts? Re-steam my post, I'll re-steam your posts. Let's all make money together. This is what I've been talking about since I opened up this channel. This is all about people helping people. Let's all start posting on Steemit every single day. I will upvote you, I will re-steam you, and I will reply to your messages so we can all make money together and we can all win together. I absolutely love Steam It. I'm on it every single day. You can see I've already done over 80 posts. I have done 85 posts. I'm talking about everything there. I'm talking about soccer. I'm talking about Steam It. I'm talking about stocks. I'm talking about YouTube. I'm talking about Bitcoin. I'm talking about cryptocurrency. And when you first start on Steam It, your ranking goes up based on your reputation. I started with a 25. Everybody starts at a 25. And my ranking has already gone up to 33. And as you grow on Steam It, you earn badges. And as you earn more and more badges, and as you grow within Steam It, and you build your reputation, this number will go up. And chances are, as your number goes up, your followers will go up, and the amount of money you make on every post will go up. So I beg you guys, get on Steam It, get on it right away, follow me, I will follow you, and let's make money together. And Kenny, you will be posting, right?
Yeah.
So Kenny is working with me, and he's literally writing his story, and he's gonna be posting right under Rich TV Live and telling the world his story of how he beat cancer and how he is a survivor for years with cancer. And Kenny, you're an inspiration to us all, my friend. And the fact that you're even here today to tell your story is a true inspiration, my friend. And I just wish you all the best. And I hope you can continue to stay healthy. And I hope you continue to be an inspiration for people all over the world that are being touched by this disease. Because we all know someone that is being affected by this disease. Children, family members, friends. There are people, unfortunately, that are being diagnosed with this disease every day. And you know, you have the recipe, you have the antidote. And if you can help even one child, one adult, one senior citizen break free of this horrible, debilitating disease, then you know what? You've already made a difference. And I can't wait to read your post, Kenny. I'm just excited to read it myself, my friend. And I feel honored that you're posting through Rich TV Live. I honestly do feel honored. Well, can you tell the listeners a little bit about what you're writing, maybe? What you're going to talk about? So people can look for your posts?
I'm writing about my brain tumor. My doctor, when I first got diagnosed, it was like April 18th of 2015.
Wow.
And they said I have a brain tumor, malignant brain tumor that is crossing over to my right hemisphere. And it created a butterfly region, and it was inoperable. They said I only had 3 to maybe 13 months to live at maximum, even with treatment.
Wow.
And I said, fuck that, and I started to look for alternative therapies and etc. And then came across a lot of good stuff.
Good for you, Kenny. Like I said, you're a true inspiration to us all. I only wish you the best in your fight. My grandmother was diagnosed with cancer at 30. She was always my hero. I loved her to death. She was an inspiration and always a very positive, happy person. She lived with cancer her entire life. She was diagnosed at 30 after having 3 children, didn't think she was going to live, and she survived until the age of 78. And when she died, she didn't die because of cancer. She died because of another disease. So she was always my inspiration because she fought the disease. And she was always told by the doctors to do chemo, and she refused. She wouldn't do chemo. And she just lived healthy. She lived very healthy. She walked a lot. She ate very healthy. And she had a very healthy lifestyle. And she lived for 48 years with cancer. It would come, it would go into remission. It would come, it would go into remission. She lived it for 48 years, and when she died of a heart attack. And I'm so happy that she didn't die because of that disease. And I think she was happy that she didn't die because of that disease, because it just proved that she's a true fighter, and she was just happy to go when she did. But she was just happy to know that it wasn't because of that disease, and she beat it. She beat it, and she's my hero. And it's like, you've come into my life now, Kenny, and you're like my new hero, bro. Because honestly, that story is inspiration, and so many people are being touched by it. And like I said, if you can even help one person, Kenny, then you know what? You've done your duty. And, I just can't wait to read your story. And I'm going to put it everywhere, Kenny. I'm going to put it everywhere. I'm going to do my best to share your story as much as I can and just put it all over the world and really help people and try to, get it out there, because I believe the elite are hiding the secrets that are helping people beat this disease. And, you are a true example of that. And why would they want, if you're the Cancer Society, why would you want Kenny Lee to come out and tell everyone the antidote when you're receiving billions of dollars a year in donations? You got to think about it, people. I mean, there is a method to the madness. And at the end of the day, these charities are a business. And I've been in the charity industry. And remember, when you're a foundation, only 5% needs to go to the cause. The other 95% goes to administration and advertising. Enough said. But we'll change the topic. But Kenny, I can't wait to see your story, my friend. How many pages is it so far?
It's like 2.5.
Good job, buddy. Take your time. There's no rush. I want it to be perfect, and I want you to really be proud of what you put out there. And, like I said, you're an inspiration to us all, Kenny. And I'm just excited to see the story and to put it out there. And I just have a feeling there's going to be a wave of people that are going to come to us, and they're going to want to know more, and they're going to want to get a chance to hear your story directly. Now, one more site that I want to talk to you guys about today. Actually, there's going to be two sites, but this other site is called livecoin.net. Now, Kenny, what do you think about livecoin.net?
That's the one I started with. I love it.
Yeah, and it's the one that I started with. Once again, free to set up, affiliate links, referral links. I use livecoin.net exclusively. I really like it. I think it's an incredible platform. It's easy to use. It's user-friendly. And it is one of the best platforms in the world to buy, sell, and trade and earn cryptocurrencies. You can actually buy Bitcoin right from livecoin.net, but you got to send a wire to Russia. So I haven't done that. That doesn't make me feel comfortable. So I'm not going to do it. But trust me when I tell you that I'm a huge fan of livecoin.net. I've only had good experiences with them. I feel very safe with my money in Livecoin. It's encrypted. It's very secure. And I was introduced to livecoin.net by the guys that are involved in UNY that we're working with bringing on our show and have been in the industry for years. And they came very highly recommended. And so far, I feel very comfortable. And I've only had good experiences with livecoin.net. So please, if you want to set up an account and you want to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, I believe the best account to have is livecoin.net. I'm going to talk to you guys about other accounts that I have set up and that I funded, but I haven't set them up yet. And as we fund them and we set them up, I will start to do more videos talking to you, the people, about some of those exchanges. Now, Kenny has already put out some videos on some other exchanges. Do you want to talk about some of those exchanges now, Kenny, that you're currently using?
Sure. Can I talk about Coinity?
Yeah, you can talk about whatever you want. I can't talk about stuff that I don't know.
Coinity
Go ahead.
is a chart that you can search like all the exchanges at. Like go to www.coinity.com.
Okay, now I do have an account at Coinigy, and is it Coinigy?
Yeah.
Okay, so I do have an account at Coinigy as well, and when you set up a Coinigy, it's just a place to look for charts, correct?
Yes.
So Coinigy is what Kenny uses every single day as a sniper ninja trader to go in and look at buying, look at selling, and look at charts. It's a great platform. I have an account as well. I haven't been trading as much as Kenny has. I've been spending more time kind of setting up accounts, learning about different accounts, doing my due diligence, and just been setting up accounts every day. I literally have set up about 50 accounts. So now that I've set up all these accounts, I'm going to start funding them. I'm going to start using them. I'm going to start testing them. But Coinigy is another platform you can use. I have an account as well. I'm not going to go in there today to show you because I got to put in my username and password. But what I'm going to do is just put it up there for you guys to see. Set up your accounts. It's absolutely free. And it's what Kenny uses every single day to look at charts. So if you're looking to look for charts, you're looking for an account to learn how to use charts, use Coinigy. It's absolutely free, and it's being used every single day by Kenny Lee, the Cloud Ninja. Now that's Coinigy. What about some of the other platforms? Like you use Polyonics, you use Ubit. Like what other exchanges are you using, Kenny, to trade?
Bittrex.
So you're using Bittrex?
Yeah, Bittrex.
Is that the only other exchange you're using other than Livecoin currently?
Yes.
Okay, so Kenny
I'm not
is...
even using Livecoin anymore. I'm just using Bittrex now.
So Kenny's not even using Livecoin. Kenny is using Bittrex. Now, Bittrex is another account that I have as well. Actually, let me go to this part. So Bittrex is another exchange that you can buy. Can you buy Bitcoin on there?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin right on
You can't
Bittrex.
buy Bitcoin on there. You have to transfer Bitcoin.
Sorry, so you can't actually
Like,
physically... Yeah, so you can't actually physically buy it. So you can transfer from like your Livecoin account right to Bittrex, and you can trade in both accounts. That's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be trading in Livecoin for some of the coins that I already have in Livecoin. And then for some of the coins that are not on Livecoin, I'm going to be transferring funds into Bittrex, and I'm going to purchase on Bittrex. So that's the beauty of some of these cryptocurrencies and these exchanges. You can transfer between them. You can buy on one, sell on another. It's amazing how easy it is to use, how user-friendly, and how all of these exchanges are connected. That's the beauty of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. All of these exchanges are connected. And Bittrex is one of the top exchanges that Kenny's currently using every day. He loves it. So please, guys, if you're looking for an exchange to trade cryptocurrencies, take a look at Bittrex. It's an account, like I said, I have as well. I haven't used it yet, but Kenny's using it. He loves it, and it's one of his top exchanges.
Like right around the corner.
Pardon me?
They're located on the same street as I live on.
Wow,
Like,
you know what?
5 miles away.
You should talk to them about coming on our show, Kenny.
Should I call up the company?
Yeah, I mean, I would love to talk to those guys and bring them on our show. I'd love to be able to, bring them to the people and give the people a chance to get to know who Bittrex is and give them a chance to show their transparency. And, for a company like them, because they're an exchange, I'd have no problem bringing them on my show for free, just so you know. So I wouldn't charge them. I would just bring them on just so that they could get the exposure and the opportunity to have our community get to know them a little bit better so we can feel comfortable with them and feel comfortable to put our money into their exchange.
Right.
So if anybody wants to contact Bittrex, feel free. We'd love to have them on Rich TV Live, and we'd love to have them tell our story. Tell their story on our platform. All right, and last but not least, I got one more exchange that I wanted to bring to you guys, and that is there anything else? No, I think that's it. Pardon me?
Kraken.
Yeah, Kraken is another exchange. I haven't used it as well. Kraken.
There's Zumbi.
There's so many. I think I'll save those for another day. So I pretty much think I'm done, Kenny. We've been live for about an hour and a half. It's a beautiful sunny day. I'm going to go hang out with my kids. Going to go enjoy the weather. Going to do what dads do. But I think we brought enough information for people to digest today. This is Bitcoin for Beginners 2017. This is Rich from Rich TV Live. This is Kenny Lee, the Cloud Ninja. Thank you for joining us, Kenny. Have a great day, my friend. And please, let me know when you're going to put up that post. I'm going to literally go right now and I'm going to take this video and I'm going to post it on Steemit. So guys, please upvote the video and follow me and I'll follow you. And if you have any cool videos or cool posts that you want to post, let me know and I'll upvote you and I'll re-steam you. And please re-steam me and let's work together. Let's build together. Let's profit together and let's create freedom together. All right, Kenny. Have a great day, my friend. And we'll talk to you soon, buddy. That's Kenny Lee, the Cloud Ninja. Peace, brother. All right, guys, it's time to go. You know I love me my Bitcoin. You know I love me my cryptocurrencies. If you're a beginner, just get started. Set up all these accounts. It's absolutely free. Just start learning. This is Bitcoin University. It's Bitcoin 101. And there ain't no Bitcoin University. So you just gotta get into the matrix. It's all connected. All right, guys. I love you guys. Stay safe. This is your boy, Rich from Rich TV Live saying, peace. I love you guys. I'm out. Boom! Litecoin's on fire. What's hot? What's not? There you go, peeps. There's the winners. Remember, just date them. Buy low, sell high. Buy in the red, sell in the green. Keep it simple and win. Because at the end of the day, you deserve freedom. So why not go and get it?